Guys, I've been on this platform for 10 months now, and I am just coming to the realization that I have never introduced myself. Oh my goodness. So, I go by Budget Diva, and my channel is always circling around the person that is looking to get out of debt and looking to have a budget friendly lifestyle that they can manage and do everything that they need to do in order to be successful on a budget. I go through different scenarios of helping individuals pay off debt really fast because that's exactly what I've done. I have paid off over $200,000 going on $300,000 worth of debt. And that includes my house, my cute little car that I'm in now, and my student loans that I am currently going through the entire struggle with getting paid off. I have done and made great progress when it comes to my student loans. You know how you have the people in your family that are telling you, oh, people are going to die with student loans, and student loans are this and student loans are that, and nobody pays off student loans. Well, guess what? I fell for that foolishness for the first, oh my God, almost 20 years out of college. Almost, not quite, but almost 20 years out of college. I'm going to say maybe 16 years. I just paid bare minimum or paid nothing at all or paid deferment. I went into deferment or forbearance or whatever that crap is that gets you nowhere and got me absolutely nowhere. And I end up with undergrad and grad school. I'm thinking it was probably around a total of $50,000, maybe a little bit over. Well, guess what? That ended up being over $106,000 that I had come up with just for student loans that I owed. So I've been tackling that after I paid off the house and the car, did the whole Dave Ramsey plan. But now I got that down to 19,000. I just cashed out one of my stocks that I did really well on recently, and so I'm going to throw that toward that, which was taking a few more thousand off. But this is my goal to get done in 2025. I have a wonderful son that is 15 years old in the 10th grade. So I am looking to make sure that he is going to be good and taken care of when he goes to college, and I do not have to worry about how much that's going to cost me because I'm going to be completely done with my student loans. So my channel will focus on paying off student loans, paying off bills, getting you a budget so that you can actually win. I go through the Dave Ramsey plan because that's what I did. The snowball method is my complete favorite. I have thought and on this really hard about what I want to do, and I love helping people. That is actually what I do for a living. My career is helping people, and I've been doing it for 20 years. Now, I want to make very clear that me alone just working did not pay off all of the bills that I have. It was actually me with side hustles. I recruited on the side, and those checks really came in handy. I mean, if you can get an additional, and everybody cannot do this, and I know everyone cannot. I've been completely blessed, but receiving an extra $2,000 to $7,500 a month just for finding a person that wants to work has been a godsend. So I am blessed when it comes to that. I do want to make sure that I am assisting and helping everyone else that wants that goal too. And with the way that the economy is going and the way that prices have shot up over the last few years, it has been difficult for people. I'm at the grocery store now, and I am getting ready to walk in. And when I tell you, I dread going in every single time because I know the prices are extremely high. I know that I need food, so I have to purchase as much as I need for me and my son. I am a single mom. I don't know if I said that or not. I am recently engaged. So my fiance and I, we do a lot of different things together, and I try to make sure that everything's on a budget. I have started sharing lives of like our dates that we do on a budget. I'm getting ready to start sharing probably today. I'll do it today. A vacation that we took recently for his birthday, and then I'll do my birthday too, because I'm telling you, we do great vacations together. We do great date nights. My son hardly ever wants to get out of the house, and if he does, it's to basketball practice or basketball games. So just getting out and doing fun things, and doing fun things for a budget is great. My family and I, we get together and we do one huge vacation a year. And this year we did go to Nashville, Tennessee, and I think it was maybe about 17, 18 of us that actually went. And with that, we did not spend over $2,500 for that many people. I plan the trip. I plan the trips every single year, and our trips are extremely cheap, and we go and we have a great time. We have really nice hotel rooms. I'll share that as well. We have vans and things of people that just do not want to drive, and that price is also factored in at $2,500, along with the hotel rooms. And anything you want to do additional, like shopping, or if you want to do an additional outing with just your particular family, then we do make that available too. But we like to do a lot of things as a group. I also go over retirement and how important that is. And I am trying to do the FIRE movement right now. I do have a book as well, if you would like to take a look at that. I'll link that below so that you can see it. And maybe it's something that you want, a whole workbook, and it tells you how to do it, when to do it, and everything in between. But that is very important to me, to retire early and enjoy my life. It gets to the point sometimes that I think that when people are gearing up for retirement, like you work 67, 65, 70 years of your life, and then 2-3 years later you're dead. You did not get to enjoy life. You've put all that money into the government, and they're promising to take care of you, but how long do they really have to give you your money back? Your money. No one else's money, it's your money. So that is very important to me. And so that even as a single mom or a single parent that is retiring, and wants to retire sooner than later, like I'm giving you those steps. So we do budget planning, we do retirement, if you decide that you want to relocate for a cheaper cost of living during retirement, or if you want to retire early and you just cannot afford to live in the U.S., I give you those breakdowns as well. So if you go ahead and you join in and see all the exciting things that are going on over here in my world, I give you the best banks when it comes to the APY and the amount of money that you're going to actually save, other than a traditional bank, which gets you nowhere. I mean, what is that penny that they give you every month? Have you ever taken a look at your savings account and you see that you're getting a penny or 5 cents, but you have thousands in there? Whew. I focus on betterment. I love betterment. I love Wealthfront. I do Acorns. I do a lot of different things because I want to maximize my money so that I can get to the point where I can retire. I don't want to work when I'm in my 50s. My retirement goal is 51, and I'm almost there, y'all. Less than 10 years. I'm almost there. So I want to make sure that I am doing everything that I can possibly do to set myself up, to set my son up, to set up my future stepkids. Like, I want everybody to be very taken care of. I don't want anybody wanting for nothing. I am trying to build generational wealth. I'm not trying to be rich. I want to be wealthy. I want to have no care in the world. But if my soul is going to get into heaven, and it is, I love God. God loves me. I'm going to make it to heaven. But that is majority a wrap of my channel. We focus on money. We focus on budgeting. We focus on getting you to the next level where you need to be in order to be successful. And me living this and doing this alone all of these years, I paid off my house and my car in less than 2 years. It was actually 19 months, and my car was brand new back then. So we're talking about a whole house and a whole car. Now, it's nothing fancy and nothing luxury about either one of them, but they're nice and they're mine. So I don't care what others have to say. I don't care what others think. It's mine, and I am grateful and I am thankful for it, and I am blessed to have it. So if you are looking for that journey in your life, then go ahead, like this video and subscribe. Watch all of my videos. I am trying to get on more of a routine of getting these videos out. And I do want to share like other things that I do, and probably it's just those in maybe lives, like my cooking. I'm a country girl, so I cook from scratch and I love doing it. I love making, and baking things for my child and for my fiance. And I just enjoy life. I enjoy doing things when I'm not working. I have a very demanding job, and it's absolutely wonderful. I love everything about it. But when I'm not working, I want to do the things that I want to do. I want to build the way that I want to build. And it just gives me a way out of just the stresses of the world. So again, if you are looking for this lifestyle, then go ahead and subscribe, comment. I even do little, I started doing this last night, little post of like, what did you save for Christmas, or did you overspend for Christmas, or how are you saving? So I'm going to do a Christmas video, and I'm going to do an outline of how you can actually save, and you will know exactly what you need instead of going through credit cards and collecting debt. That is not what we want. I am a cash budgeter, so I budget everything with cash, and it works for me. And when I don't have any more money in that box, I can't spend anymore. So that's where I am. All right, have a wonderful one, and see you all later.